When I did have to go on a tour, I couldn't actually take the mobile cage or the one that has been mounted on the bathtub. I had to get a new one, and from a recycle place, I managed to fork out a $30 cage that I call a kitchen. And here, he doesn't bathe, he doesn't play, he doesn't actually look around. All what he does is eat, eat. Here, Bongo is trying to create a bond between the master, and birds, unlike dogs, take a while to build up confidence, and they use a step-by-step method to get on to the next level. But once it's done, they are pretty easygoing. But to get it to that stage, it takes a while. Only a bird trainer knows what it is. You can be easily a horse whisperer, but it's hard to become a bird whisperer. Contrary to the horse whisperer, bird whisperers are not made but born. Here, he loved the seeds of red hot chilies. Can you believe it? That's the best out of the treat. To lure him, that's what he likes. Occasionally, he do the walk in the park thingy on the ground. It's good as a form of exercise. That's what the vet said. And get the clipping of wings and nails twice a year. Enjoy flying in and out of the mobile cage. We all know that it's a matter of aiming, which he is good at. Yeah, you are. He's ready. He's looking. He's watching. Bang! Once he shifts from the kitchen, he settles down in the transit lounge until he either gets to the palm or mobile unit to settle down. And he occasionally have a trip in the car with the mobile unit, which he enjoys, whistling, you name it. He's like a possum on a gum tree. And here you get the big cage mounted on top of a old bathtub, which is not used, and his master's trophies are on top, close to the clown. Below the bathtub, why is in the mobile cage? Further below are some silly posters, and in the middle you could find toys, a radio, a digital clock, and another clock with 2 hands. He's time poor. He has lots to do. Watching, giving a look outside the window, playing, and listen to the radio and sleep, drink water, and I think he's in the right company. If he's not given this opportunity, he would be actually crying. You can see the shower stuff. He gets a shower once a week and does fluttering and dancing in between, screeching, alerting the whole neighborhood.